let's take a look inside the brand new Pokemon Showbag. Inside the Pokemon Showbag is this drink bottle and this awesome backpack, a sticker book with over 100 stickers, and this projector torch. You get a 3-pack of Pokemon trading cards, a frisbee, a colouring inset. You get some coloured pencils, stickers, a sticker sheen, and some colouring inset, and this Pokemon cap. And all of these items come inside this tote bag. Ooh. Jump online at showbags.com.au and get it delivered.